living for this look. You know who I feel like I am right now? Dominique Devereaux. And if you don't know who Dominique Devereaux is, girl, Google her, okay? Hello Fabs, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Daniela Tabois, and welcome to the House of Tabois. So in this episode, I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes to show you how I photograph and video my latest bridal jumpsuit. Now, if you don't know what jumpsuit I'm talking about, in my last video, I shared with you guys that I'm going to be building out my bridal collection, and I showed you how I sewed my first bridal jumpsuit. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it up here so you can see it right now. You go ahead and watch that so you can catch up to see what was going on. But in this video, honey, I'm basically going to show you the behind the scenes of how I style it and set up. And as you can see, girl, I decided to go with a soft glam look, honey, okay? Because I am that girl, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and take you over to my setup so you can see how I'm going to photo shoot. Okay guys, so this is basically the space I'm using. A plain back wall, white wall, and the floor. Nothing fancy. I want to keep it very plain and simple, especially during this time now. I'm not gonna sit here and waste money on models until I fully build out the collection, and then that's when I'm gonna worry about, you know, the styling and the shoots. But simplicity always works best with natural lighting when you're shooting high quality pieces. I think the customer who's going to be interested in seeing that wants to see the piece in its natural state and not polished, finished, edited, highly edited photos. So what I worry about is making sure that the pictures have a lot of detail so that way they can see what they're getting up close online. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna change out because, you know, I'm gonna use myself. I'm pretty model-esque looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and change myself out, and then we'll see the full look. Now, someone asked me about, you know, how do you lace up or go to the restroom when you have it all corseted up like this? Well, it depends on who you are. For me, I don't go to the restroom like that. If I have a special occasion, I know if it was my wedding day, I would not be putting so much liquid, drinking so much liquid, because my head is not going to be there. I got a lot of stuff I have to worry about. So by the time I do head out to celebrate, I'm not going to be needing to use the bathroom like that. But if anything shall happen, if you decided to drink or have anything, I mean, I think you will have a person to help you, like your bridesmaids or your maid of honor, to come assist you when you go to the restroom if you need to go to the restroom. Or you can have your fiance do the honor of doing you and undoing you, and you guys can bond on that situation. It depends on how you make it. There's no reason for you to find an issue with something if you really want it. Okay, so here is the look. I paired it with some white shoes to keep it very all white or cream on cream. And we're gonna get ready to photograph. Some of you guys were asking me about if I'm going to go and alter some of the flaws that I had in my pants, which I don't do on samples because samples is for promotion. Models gonna be wearing it, sometimes taken out for photographs, depending on if a publication reaches out to me and says, hey, we want to photograph your jumpsuit. So that's all used for that purpose. Now, once I'm done with the whole collection and I'm finished, that's when I decide, all right, I'm going to put the sample on sale because it's a great piece. It's just going to be on discounted price for a person who wants it. Maybe if the person is smaller than their sample size, then they'll probably do some alterations, but usually is as is, and I'm not going to be fixing anything. When a customer orders from me now, I go ahead and produce a brand new one. Okay, so I'm basically going through my pictures that I took, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the ones that I want to edit. And once I finish editing them, I go ahead and place them on my website for sale. And then I email everyone on my email list to let them know that I have a new piece out and for them to go ahead and check it out. And then once that's done, I go ahead and put it on my social media as well. So I'm going to end the video here, guys. Stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to be making the next bridal jumpsuit. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I'm living for this look. You know who I feel like I am right now? Dominique Devereaux. And if you don't know who Dominique Devereaux is, girl, she before my time, Google her, okay? Because let me tell you, the boomers can tell you all about Dominique Devereaux.